Double-hung windows are a timeless choice for Love's Park homes. Their classic appearance, smooth operation, and versatile ventilation make them a favorite among homeowners. But while selecting high-quality windows is important, professional installation is what truly determines how long those windows will perform at their best. In Love's Park, where homes face freezing winters, humid summers, and seasonal storms, proper installation plays a critical role in durability, energy efficiency, and long-term value. Precision fit prevents future problems. Even the best double-hung windows won't perform properly if they're not installed with precision. Professional installers take exact measurements to ensure the new window fits squarely and securely within the existing opening. A properly fitted window opens and closes smoothly, locks securely, maintains an airtight seal, prevents structural shifting over time. If a window is even slightly out of alignment, it can cause operational issues and premature wear. In a climate like Love's Park's, where temperature fluctuations cause expansion and contraction, precision matters. Proper insulation improves longevity. One of the most common causes of window failure is poor insulation around the frame. Gaps left unsealed can allow air infiltration, moisture intrusion, and drafts. Professional installers use expanding foam insulation and high-quality sealants to eliminate these gaps. This helps prevent heat loss during cold winters, lock humid air during summer, reduce condensation buildup, protect interior walls from moisture damage. Without proper insulation, even energy-efficient double-hung windows may struggle to perform as designed. Protecting against moisture damage, Love's Park experiences snow, rain, and seasonal temperature swings. Improper flashing or sealing during installation can allow water to seep into the window opening. Over time, moisture intrusion can lead to wood rot, old growth, warped frames, structural damage. Professional installation includes carefully applied flashing systems and weatherproof barriers that direct water away from the window opening. This protection significantly extends the life of your double-hung windows. Maintaining smooth operation, double-hung windows rely on balanced sashes and smooth tracks for easy operation. If installed improperly, the sashes may tilt, stick, or fail to lock securely. Experienced installers ensure the frame is level and square, the sashes move freely, locking mechanisms align correctly, weather stripping seals tightly when closed. This attention to detail prevents unnecessary strain on the window components and keeps operation effortless for years to come. Preserving manufacturer warranties. Many window manufacturers require professional installation to maintain warranty coverage. Improper installation can void warranties, leaving homeowners responsible for repair costs. Hiring qualified professionals protects your investment and ensures your windows are backed by manufacturer guarantees. Energy efficiency that lasts. Double-hung windows often feature energy-efficient glass packages, including double-pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames. However, these features only perform effectively when installation is done correctly. Professional installation maximizes energy efficiency by preventing air leaks, ensuring tight compression seals, reducing thermal bridging in Love's Park's cold winters. This means fewer drafts and lower heating bills. In summer, it means better temperature control and reduced cooling costs. Long-term value for Love's Park homes. A properly installed double-hung window not only lasts longer but also enhances curb appeal and property value. Buyers recognize quality craftsmanship and well-maintained windows. Choosing professional installation helps ensure your windows continue to look and perform like new for years. A smart investment in performance and peace of mind. Double-hung windows are a valuable upgrade for any Love's Park home, but their longevity depends heavily on expert installation. From precise measurements and secure sealing to moisture protection and smooth operation, professional installation lays the foundation for long-lasting performance. For homeowners seeking comfort, durability, and reliable energy savings, investing in professional window installation is just as important as choosing the right window itself.